In this video, I will guide you on how you can change your Instagram email. So let's get started. So now here we are on Instagram, and from here what we're gonna do is that we're gonna log into our account and tap on your profile icon on the bottom right. Now, in here, you want to tap on the three horizontal bars on the top right. And then once you are now here, you just want to go into Account Center. And in here, you would want to go into Personal Details right here. Now, you want to go into Contact Info right there on the first one. And from here, you will now be able to see all of the emails and phone numbers that is associated to your Instagram. So in here, you can just choose the email that you don't want anymore. So if you don't want to change, then I suggest removing all of the emails that you don't really need. So from here, for example, I'm going to go for this email right here. So now I have selected this, and now I can tap here on delete email, and then I can tap here on delete again, and then it will now delete that email. And now if you don't have any emails here anymore that is associated into your contact information, you can now proceed by clicking or tapping on adding a new contact by tapping on the button at the bottom. Now, it would ask you, which one would you like to add? You want to go for add email. And in here, you will now be able to enter the email address right here. So say sample email@gmail.com right there, just for an example. And now from here, you can choose an account that will be associated with this email. So you can go for your Facebook, Instagram, or depending on the kinds of account that you have in here. In my case, I'll just go for my Instagram also right there. Now I'm going to click or tap here on next at the bottom. And now it will now proceed into adding this email address. But as you can see right here, a temporary error has occurred because this is not really a legit email that I have provided. But yeah, this is just a tutorial, but this is basically how you can do it in changing your email address. So if you'd like to make it your primary, then you would have to delete all the other emails so that it will now be the only one that would be associated with your account. And it's also very important to remove those emails that is no longer in use. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.